In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to track your eBay orders. Navigating online purchases can sometimes feel daunting, especially when you're eagerly waiting for that newly purchased item to arrive at your doorstep. So by the end of this video, you'll be confidently monitoring your eBay orders with these easy to follow instructions. First, let's set the scene. You're on the homepage of eBay, one of the largest online marketplaces where shoppers like you can find just about anything, from electronics and fashion to collectibles and more. Now, to begin tracking your orders, you should first ensure you're signed in to your eBay account. Head over to eBay's main page, and if you're not logged in yet, do so by entering your credentials. Once you're logged in and comfortably browsing through the wide selection, you'll want to find the purchase history option. This feature is a fantastic tool that eBay provides, allowing you to view and manage all your previous transactions. To locate this, look for your name or user icon. Typically, it's positioned at the top right corner of the page. Clicking on this will reveal a drop-down menu. Here, you'll find Purchase History. Go ahead and give it a click. Now that you're in your purchase history, you'll see a list of all the items you've bought recently. This is the hub for tracking and managing your orders. To find specific delivery details, simply locate the item you are interested in. Keep in mind that understanding these details is essential to know when and how your order will arrive. With the item in question found, click on it to dive deeper into the delivery details. eBay displays shipping information here, providing you with crucial updates about your package's journey from the seller to you. Among these details, you'll want to focus on finding the tracking number and the carrier handling your shipment. The tracking number is your direct link to knowing where your package is at any given moment during the delivery process. The carrier's name, which might be USPS, UPS, FedEx, DHL, or another local provider, is just as important, as this tells you who physically moves your item from one location to another. Finally, with both the tracking number and carrier's details in hand, you have all you need to track your order more closely. Visit the carrier's website, and usually on their homepage, there will be a search bar labeled Track Package or something similar. Enter your tracking number here and you'll get the most up-to-date location and estimated delivery details of your parcel. And that's it. With these steps, you are now well equipped to track your orders on eBay like a pro. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide helps ease your anticipation as you await your next exciting delivery.